step into the 1997 Ford F150. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: AM/FM stereo, front disc rear drum brakes, ABS, driver airbag, power steering, intermittent wipers, tow hooks, and split bench seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.